welcome back. I'm back in the Bongo, and I got a bit carried away and forgot to put the camera on because, as you can tell from the last video, there was a lot of water coming in. You can see how wet that is. Sorry about this. This is what I was saying. I got a bit carried away, so I started undoing all these. I've got these clips out of here. You know, the old like these things. You just pull the middle out, and then the whole lot pops out. And then these little tabs sort of pull over like this way and down. I've just exposed this, and also I had to take off this little like trim piece that goes over that. So then I've exposed this. Now what I've done also, I really should have put the camera on, as I was going to put this all on YouTube. It does help if you turn the camera on, but I also use this, and I just put it in there just to sort of catch that there was like a puddle of water out there. So I've just wrung all that out. Where are you? Wrung it out. Must have taken about a litre of water out of that side and also that side. So this is where I'm at now anyway. So I'm just looking in here. Hopefully the old GoPro can show you what I'm on about. So basically that black hose, I think, is a drain. I reckon it goes down that pillar there somewhere, and I reckon it's blocked. And also same this side, just there. See that black hose? So I'm guessing they're blocked, so I'm gonna have to try and unblock them somehow. So I'll pull the hose off and see what it's like. Maybe put a pipe cleaner down there or something, or a bit of cable or whatever. Just try and unblock that tube, and then hopefully this leaky old thing should work again, but we'll have to wait and find out, I suppose. So I'll get back to you. These are quite cool as well, these handle things, grab handles. They're Quicksilver ones all round, which is quite cool. I don't know if they're from like a surfboard thing, you know, like the handles you get on surfboards, but you can see that? Quicksilver, quite cool. There's 6 of them in here. Right, let's loosen that up. How do we... What do they do? There's like some weird little copper pipes up here. You have to excuse me, I've like got literally no experience with bongos whatsoever. So I'm just figuring it out as I go along. I think that's the washer. There's like a washer line up here, you know, like the silicone hose stuff. But these weird copper pipes, where do they go? They sort of go along here and then into the middle. No, well, I'm going to drop that front bit. Copper pipes, what do you do? What do you do? So I wonder, because the bloke I bought this off, he said the sunroof doesn't work because it leaks, and I'm wondering, he said he put like a black strip in there, like a seal to seal it off. So he said this doesn't work anymore, but I wonder if it's leaking just because the hoses that drain down, the drain hoses, I wonder if they're just blocked, so that's why it was leaking, and then he's put the seal in to stop it leaking, but not really succeeded. So what I'm hoping is I can unblock this hose and this hose, take out that strip, and then if this has got power, hopefully that should work then, and we'll have a sunroof back, maybe, fingers crossed. Let's have a go. I'll have a little play. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the camera off for a minute because it just eats my memory space thing. I'll have a play, but I'll update you with any good stuff. Right, I'm going for the hose off jobby. So put this here in the hope that I could do like getting this out of the way really, but it's a proper mission to get it out. What I might do is just that'll do it. Put that in there to catch any water. Just don't want it all to fall like you guys just did onto this top. So there we go, I'm pulling the hose off. Oh yeah, there's water. Oh, it's minging. Where's it gone? Is it falling out? Oh, okay, so that is why I mopped it out first with this. Pretty happy with that. As it stops. Yes. A little bit. Lovely. I think we're getting somewhere here. Now I just need to unblock that bloody hose. I'm going to go and get a pipe cleaner. But first, I'm going to do this side as well. Right, situation. I've done one off camera just to not look like an idiot on camera. But basically I've got this. It's a bit of 2.5mm twin and earth cable I've stripped one core out of. And I'm basically just ramming it in that drain hole. Just pushing any rubbish out that's in there, hopefully pushing it down to the outside world. Oh, there you go, a bit of resistance there. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stuck on something. There she goes. Nearly at the bottom. There she goes. Lovely. That is the whole length. So that should be outside now. Should we go and have a look? Let's go and have a look. Oh god, this is so much harder doing it on camera. Where are you? Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. Should have brought a torch, but I'm not getting back up because that is a right old track. But it's there, look. I've just suddenly had an idea. I could have just lifted the seat to access the engine bay thing. That's where that drain is. Oh well. Anyway, you can see it there. Hopefully, a little blue bit of cable. And that's how you clear the drain holes. It's all a bit grim. There we go. Let's give that a blast with some contact cleaner. There you go. Well, that should all be coming out outside now. Lovely stuff. Pop that back on there. Let's give it all a bit of a dry off. And then let's open this sunroof. Sorry. And then what I'm going to do, actually what I'll do first is yeah, good idea, Aaron. Everything is just wringing wet. I'm just going to test the, where's it gone? That. Just going to spray some, that's probably a bit too violent. Let me try and get that. Or even, tell you what I could do. No? Yes, there we go. So I have fluid coming out the drain hole. So that's clear, and then the hose is now clear. Put the hose back on the little drain. I think we're actually getting somewhere. It's nice. Now I've got to do the same the other side. Right, we're getting somewhere. Watch this. I've managed to get the sunroof open. So I'm just tipping a bit of water into here. And as you can see, beautiful. Right, I've shut it again because it started raining, but these are actually working now, which is great. They're all the water's going down. I've checked outside, and down there there's a puddle either side, so good news. So another little job done on the Bongo. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.